hit it on a creeper up in the front of the distributor because those distributors are awkward, and of course the points will be closed. So
yeah. I'm not sure about the carburetors either, so I know this one's got a governor on the other side.
Yep, it has to.
Hi guys, it's Rich Bennett, the maintenance coordinator here at the Ontario Regiment Museum. Today we're going to show you one of our newest vehicles. It's a maintenance CMP. It's a welder version. It's a very rare and unique truck. This Ford CMP was built in 1942 in Windsor, and it's very unique because it's got a welder on the back end of the truck. Now the welder actually has a flathead V8 Ford motor just like the drivetrain, so it's got two of them in place. It's a 300 amp welder, about 40 volt DC. It's AC, it's got an AC power supply as well. But this is a great example of a good vehicle that we get for restoration purposes. You can see there's a lot of rust left on it. There's flaking paint. We have not restored this at all. It was donated through an individual in Hamilton. It belonged to his father, who used to train drivers how to drive CMPs in the war. So they knew that we were looking for stuff like this. He wanted to donate it to a good cause, and here it is. This is where we're going to start. Our first goal is to get it running and serviceable so that we can drive it around, and maybe in a couple years, once we get it into the project list, we'll get it restored where we can get it repainted and everything operating the way it would have been back in World War II. So if you want to see more of this stuff, come visit us at tankmuseum.ca or on our Facebook page at the Ontario Regiment Museum. Hope to see you again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. More's coming.